Hello and welcome to Fit Be Well Recipes. In India, we are well through a brisk winter and it's also the season of sweet and delicious green peas or matar as we call them in Hindi. Today, let's see how to make Matar Korma in the Konkani style. Konkani cooking is heavily influenced by the coastal cuisine, which mostly includes coconut as a curry base, giving food an exceptionally flavorsome touch. So let's get started. For this we need some black peppercorns, 4 to 5 small cinnamon sticks. Using nutmeg is optional. We'll need 4 to 5 cloves. We'll need 400 grams of boiled green peas, 2 roughly sliced onions, around 3/4 inch of ginger, fresh coriander leaves, green chilies according to your spice tolerance, 200 grams of freshly grated coconut, 1 roughly chopped tomato, some poppy seeds as a natural taste enhancer, and finally some sauf or fennel seeds. So let's start dry roasting all the whole spices over a slightly high flame until they give an aroma. You may roast all of them together, but just take care against uneven roasting since ingredients like fennel and poppy seeds tend to brown faster and even burn accidentally. Next, to a tablespoon of oil, add the sliced onions and let's saute for some time. Let's add the chilies now. Alright, the onions have browned and it's time to add the ginger. Let's saute for another minute or two. Now we'll quickly dry roast the dhania till the leaves start wilting. And here we are. Let's add the grated coconut. Let's saute till the raw smell of coconut goes away. In this recipe, you'd want to notice that roasting for the right amount of time is all it takes to get the perfect korma taste. Okay, so next we wait for all the roasted stuff to cool on its own before we add them to the mixer. Looks like our ground mixture is ready. Next, we begin the tadka by adding some mustard seeds, cumin seeds and curry leaves to some oil in a kadhai. Now we'll require 2 chopped onions to be added to the tadka as well, followed by some chopped tomato after they turn golden brown. Please note that we had added roasted onions to the ground mixture for the much needed smooth and thick texture with a dash of sweetness earlier. So if you want, you can even skip adding the onions again at this point. Let's saute till the tomatoes soften. At this point you can add a pinch of turmeric powder and also add salt as per your taste. Now come our green peas that we had already boiled earlier. And now finally here comes our ground mixture, which sets this Konkani style Matar Korma apart from all the green peas recipes we have known. Let's give it a good mix, and you can also add water to thin out the consistency. I've added salt now since I didn't add it any time before. Okay, we'll bring this to a boil and our Konkani style Matar Korma is ready to serve. Enjoy with rice or roti along with a pickle of your choice for a heavenly meal experience. Thanks for watching, and if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it across with your friends. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I drop a new video. Keep extending your love and support on my Instagram and my website. Stay tuned for my next video, and until then, take care and bye-bye.